Ladies and gentlemen, today, I am thrilled to talk about a breakthrough in scientific research that is shaping the future of biology and medicine. The revolution we're witnessing is not in some distant realm, but right here, thanks to DeepMind's AlphaFold. This extraordinary piece of technology represents a giant leap forward in our quest to understand the very building blocks of life: proteins. The challenge of protein folding. For decades, scientists have grappled with the complexity of protein folding, a process vital to virtually every function in our cells. Proteins are long chains of amino acids that fold into specific shapes to perform their functions. Predicting how these chains fold has been one of the most daunting challenges in molecular biology. Misfolded proteins can lead to diseases like Alzheimer's and cystic fibrosis, highlighting the importance of understanding this process. The breakthrough of AlphaFold. Enter AlphaFold. Developed by DeepMind, AlphaFold uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to predict protein structures with unprecedented accuracy. What sets AlphaFold apart is its ability to interpret the intricate relationships between amino acids and predict how they fold into their functional forms. This was previously a task requiring immense computational power and time, often producing uncertain results. AlphaFold's precision is a game-changer, with its predictions closely matching experimental data. Impact on science and medicine. The implications of AlphaFold's success are profound. For researchers, it accelerates the pace of discovery, enabling us to understand diseases better, develop new treatments, and design novel proteins with specific functions. For pharmaceutical companies, it means reduced time and cost in drug development. In essence, AlphaFold is not just a tool, but a catalyst for innovation, potentially revolutionizing how we approach scientific problems. A collaborative future. However, the story of AlphaFold is not just about technology, but also about collaboration. DeepMind's commitment to open science and sharing their data with the global research community exemplifies how collective efforts can drive progress. By making AlphaFold's predictions and tools available, they empower researchers worldwide to build on this foundation and advance their own work. Conclusion. In closing, AlphaFold represents more than just a technological marvel. It embodies the spirit of innovation and collaboration that drives scientific progress. As we continue to explore the frontiers of biology, let us be inspired by AlphaFold's achievements and motivated to contribute to this exciting era of discovery. Together, we can unlock new possibilities and pave the way for a future where science and technology work hand in hand to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. Thank you